revelation. I will glory in the word I have heard. I will glory in the new inspiration of your love. I will sing in another dimension, where the Spirit and the truth take the stage, where the angels are engaged by the splendor of my Lord. And if my praise should make it through my worldly way to the place where it belongs in the sky, and if my broken whisper should reach his ears, then God is gonna hear this sinner cry. You're the fire in the furnace of my heart. You're the rain that falls from heaven on my life. You're the river running through my veins tonight. You're the love that makes the world go round. You're the fundamental note of my sound. You're the rhythm of my beating heart. You are life. I will glory in the new revelation. I will glory in the word I have heard. I will glory in the new inspiration of your love. I will sing in another dimension, where the Spirit and the truth take the stage, where the angels are engaged by the splendor of my Lord. And if my praise should make it through my worldly way to the place where it belongs in the sky, and if my broken whisper should reach his ear, then God is gonna hear this sinner cry. You're the fire in the furnace of my heart. You're the rain that falls from heaven on my life. You're the river running through my veins tonight. You're the love You're the love that makes the world go round. You're the fundamental note of my sound. You're the rhythm of my beating heart. You are life. You are life.